1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport, and they call it an LS5. So it's a particular RPO option. It's a 454, as I mentioned. My buddy and I bought the car probably 20 plus years ago, and initially restored it over the course of about 4 or 5 years. So we stripped it all down to bare metal. There was a little bit of rust holes in the bottom of the rear quarters or front fenders. Those were addressed with metal, and then we repainted the car in its original color of black, which for back then, black was a fairly rare color, especially in South Florida. It's a 1970 LS5, which is a 454, rated 360 in the Chevelle. The same engine was rated 390 in the Corvette, but it is the biggest displacement engine that you could get with air conditioning back in 1970 for the Chevelle. So it's a 454 automatic, 331 rear end ratio, posi traction. Car runs really well, pretty powerful for a 454. It does handle very well. You know, for its time, we're talking 1970. Compared to today, probably not so much. Believe it or not, even the Super Sport Chevelles did not necessarily come mandatory with bucket seats or even gauges for that matter. I often get asked about, well, it may not be a true Super Sport because it doesn't have bucket seats. That is not accurate. Actually, they came with bench seat and automatic on the column that you see this car is. This particular car was restored 100% to original carburetor, distributor, everything on the car is pretty much original and or restored on the car. My plan is to simply, now that it's somewhat restored, just enjoy it, take it car shows like we have here today. It's been to the AACA events. It's already gotten its gold award in its class. I'll probably go back and take it for the next 2 awards, and it'll be retired after that.